Yeah, after opening, this is how it is looking. You can see all the things here. I'll remove the thermocol. And this is the user manual, and there is a remote also for this. A user manual, extra 6 months warranty, and this is the remote, a small remote, very compact. It has speed and direction, auto and manual, power on and off. I think this works on coin cell battery. And we look at it later. And we have a manual things also here. And it has 16 amps of plug. This is how the plug was given. It looks like a little bit delicate. We need to be very careful with this. It does not look very sturdy plug in and all, and this looks fine. Coming to this massager, and this is how it is. This is a very elastic cloth, looks like, but does not look very premium, but looks like it's okay. I also don't know how to use this. Let us see how to use them.